बहुत से सो कॉल्ड बैड पोस्चर्स के एक्चुअली कुछ बेनिफिट्स भी होता है। राउंडेड शोल्डर्स और हंच्ड बैक को हमेशा ब्लेम किया जाता है फॉर शोल्डर एंड बैक पेन, which by the way isn't supported by the broader evidence. Actually though, such a posture is frequently observed in elite swimmers and boxers. Rounded shoulders actually help करते हैं to keep the hands closer to the chin, protecting your ribs and allows faster snapback punches. Boxers का bad posture उनके लिए बहुत helpful होता है, and it's also an advantageous posture for cyclists and rowers. Anterior pelvic tilt को भी बहुत harmful माना जाता है, at least by outdated physios that is, even though it's quite common and has no concrete correlation with pain or injuries. In fact, in sprinting, it enhances hip extension torque, which means more force into the ground, which means more speed. Flat feet एक प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। फ्लैट फीट ना कोई प्रॉब्लम का इंडिकेशन है, ना ही एक गारंटी ऑफ इंजरी एंड पेन है। यू कैन बी वेरी एथलेटिक एंड हेल्दी डिस्पाइट हैविंग फ्लैट फुट। इनफैक्ट बहुत सारे एलीट फुटबॉल प्लेयर्स एंड स्प्रिंटर्स हैव फ्लैट फीट एंड दैट इजंट समथिंग दैट नीड्स टू बी चेंज्ड. And more importantly, it isn't something that can be changed. Even scoliosis, which might seem like a clearly dangerous posture, if not severe, it's a completely normal thing to have. So many of the greatest athletes of all time have broken multiple world records despite having scoliosis. So instead of being obsessed with the ideal and perfect posture and उसको achieve करने में अपनी energy waste करने से अच्छा, we should ask ourselves, You must be thinking that it doesn't matter कि बैड posture से पेन या इंजरीज हो या ना हो. मेन बात तो ये है that it looks bad. But the not so bitter truth is that it's almost impossible to change your natural posture. And of course, this isn't my subjective take. High quality studies have shown that हमारा posture हमारे मसल्स की टाइटनेस या वीकनेस से डिटरमाइन नहीं होता. दिस लॉजिक इज सो ब्रोकन when you realize that हमारे muscles constantly flexed नहीं रहता. Let's say you have rounded forward shoulders. So as I said, according to the old school theory, इसका reason है because आपके chest muscles shoulder को आगे pull कर रहा है because वो constantly activated है. But muscles do not function that way. Even Kirill Sarchev, the strongest bench presser in the world, with perhaps the strongest and biggest pecs, even उसके pec muscles will not be activated all the time. Muscles ऐसे काम नहीं करता है. इसके exactly opposite example होगा a situation where someone has an insanely strong back. तो again, according to the old school theory of posture, एक strong back shoulders को पीछे pull करके रखेंगे, which will make the posture good. Tyson Rydenauer, who has some of the most phenomenal deadlift genetics, and despite having a 1,000-pound deadlift and the back of a silverback gorilla, he still has a very kyphotic slouched upper back. But nor has that posture stopped him from being strong, nor has it caused any injury, and most importantly, his massive back has not fixed his posture either. Muscles only fire
when you want them to fire.
एक बहुत ही insightful study में the researchers found that जो लोगों का posture bad होता है एंड उसकी वजह से उन्हें पेन आ रहा होता है, जब वो लोग एक्सरसाइज करना स्टार्ट करते हैं तो उनके पेन सिम्टम्स ऑलमोस्ट खत्म हो जाता है, इवन दो उनके पोस्चर में कोई भी इंप्रूवमेंट नहीं आता. सो एक्सरसाइजेज हेल्प विद पेन इवन इफ दे आर अनेबल टू चेंज योर पोस्चर. हाउएवर, एक्सरसाइज करने से स्ट्रेंथ एंड मसल मास बढ़ता है, जिसकी वजह से कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ सकता है, विच कैन इम्पैक्ट द पोस्चर ऑफ समवन. बट ये एक बिहेवियरल चेंज है एंड इसके पीछे कोई भी फिजिकल मैकेनिज्म इन्वॉल्व नहीं है. But don't feel bad about your bad posture. I don't feel bad about my bad posture. If you learned something from this video, guys, please leave a like. Also, please subscribe to this channel, guys. Please, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And most importantly, stay strong.